Hi, this is a Think Wireless Solutions training video. In this video, I'm going to cover the recommended steps to take upon first login with your user account. Once you have logged into the website at app.thinktracking.ca, you will then be prompted with this screen. To populate your units, simply click on the Monitoring tab and then the plus that says Add Units in the top left corner, and then Add All Available. At this point, your assets will be added to the list. To visualize these assets, simply click the top left square in the Monitoring tab, and this will select all assets. Alternatively, you could select the individual assets that you would like to appear on the map, and they will do so. Once you have done this, there are some changes that I would make to this tab underneath the Customize Monitoring options. Click the three dots in the top up here, and you'll be prompted with this menu. I recommend having the secondary information as address. This will display the address underneath the user name. Secondly, I would clean up the list that we have here. Simply deselect these options and copy the layout I'm about to show you. Then you will click off the menu and it will refresh the page. You can now see that we have a quick track option, the motion state of the unit, such as the engine being on, off, the unit idling or moving, the connection state, whether the unit is online or offline, a quick track function, which will display the final 24 hours of movement done by this vehicle, and then the unit properties. This allows you to manually set the vehicle odometer or engine hours, as well as creating service intervals, whether it be by mileage, engine hours, or days. The next thing I would recommend upon creating your account is going to your username in the top right corner, clicking User Settings, and then Maps, and then enabling OpenStreetMap. This will offer an additional map type for you to choose from. To select through the map types, click on Map Selection, and then pick the map type that you prefer. Bing Maps also allow the bonus of displaying Bing traffic. This grabs live internet data with traffic feeds to help you better plan your routes for the day and manage your fleet. The next step that I would recommend is cleaning up the top bar. This can be done by clicking the Customize the menu in the top right corner. I would recommend to deselect messages, routes, unless you are using hours of service, you could deselect drivers, trailers, passengers. You could see that the top bar is simplified. If you would like to create additional accounts for your other staff, go to the Users tab and create a new user. User accounts and passwords are case sensitive and must be unique. To create a user, simply enter in the username, create a password that follows the rules, and then go to User Access. In this tab, you'll have the options of providing a user full access or read-only access, as well as specific access to units if you have multiple fleets within your business. To provide access to an entire fleet, or selected items, simply click the top item, scroll to the bottom, hold Shift, and click the bottom item, and then whether you want to provide read-only or full access. If you are providing full access to any user, you must remove the permission to delete object and remove manage admin fields. Additionally, you want to provide access to the groups. The same applies. Click on the group and then full access or read-only access for the specific user. If providing full access, remove the ability to delete the group and manage the admin fields within that group. And the final thing to do are resources. This includes things such as reports, notifications, jobs, etc. Simply click on your fleet name and then provide full or read-only access. And then the same thing, remove the permission for deleting objects and managing admin fields. Then click OK, and you will see that your user has been created, and you may provide the login credentials to the employee. Once the employee logs into their account, they will be prompted with a change password prompt, and then they are good to go. Thank you for watching this video, and please check out our other guides on the Think Tracking GPS system.